Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested to know how I created this look, then keep watching. Pick your concealer and apply on your lids. I'm using NY Bay concealer. Then blend it using your ring finger. If you don't have concealer, then just skip this part. Next, take some loose powder in your brush and set the concealer. So today I am picking this red color from HR palette. Start by forming a shape using eyeshadow brush. Go slow and do very gently. As we are using dark color, we have to be more alert. You can also use your finger to blend the eyeshadow. Next, I am taking metallic black color and it will apply only on my inner lid. I am using the brow brush. You can also pick colors of your choice. Just keep on blending. I'm using the same eyeshadow brush and creating a wing to give my look a dramatic touch. Once you are done, then pick an eyeliner. For this look, I am creating very simple and thin eyeliner. If you are new to eyeliner, I mean you can't apply eyeliner properly, then I'll give you a tip. Place the brush close to your lid and then apply. Things becomes very easy and there will be no shaking and nothing. I am creating just a small wing. I am applying the second stroke also because I thought it was very thin. Now take your mascara and apply on your lashes. Lastly, I am taking white eyeshadow and applying on inner corners. I will do the same shadow on my right eye. And yes, I am done. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.